Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play music in your Infiniti QX60. Your vehicle offers several convenient options to enjoy your favorite audio. You can easily connect your smartphone or a USB drive using a USB cable, or stream wirelessly via Bluetooth. For devices without Bluetooth, an auxiliary input is also available. We'll cover each method to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to get your music playing smoothly. Connecting via USB is straightforward. First, find the USB port, usually located in the center console box or under the armrest. Plug in your smartphone or a USB memory device using a compatible cable. Once connected, press the Media or Disc Auxiliary button repeatedly on your control panel until the USB or iPod mode appears on the display screen. You can then browse and play your audio files directly through the vehicle's system. For wireless audio, Bluetooth streaming is a great choice. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. In your QX60, press the setting button, then touch Bluetooth on the display screen. Select Connect Device and then Add New. Follow the prompts to pair your phone, confirming any PIN that appears on both devices. Once connected, press the Media button until Bluetooth audio appears and your music will stream wirelessly. If you have an older device, the auxiliary input is a reliable option. Simply plug a 3.5mm audio cable into the auxiliary jack, often found in the center console. Connect the other end to your audio device's headphone jack. Then, press the Disc Auxiliary button until the auxiliary input source is selected on your screen. Remember to adjust the volume on both your device and the car's audio system for the best listening experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.